Welcome back, fellow learners. As we dive into the details of our Python and R for data science and machine learning course, let us take a moment to explore the exciting benefits that await you on this transformative journey. You will gain practical hands-on experience by applying Python and R to analyze the 500 Days Run Dataset. This provides valuable insights into real-world data science scenarios. Master two powerful programming languages, Python and R, broadening your skill set and enhancing versatility for a wide range of data science and machine learning projects. From data acquisition and cleaning to exploratory data analysis, future engineering, and machine learning model building, acquire a comprehensive skill set essential for success in the field of data science. Take your understanding to the next level with an optional deep learning module, exploring advanced concepts using TensorFlow or PyTorch. Understand the challenges and strategies involved in deploying machine learning models in real-world scenarios, providing a holistic view of the data science life cycle. Apply theoretical concepts through engaging hands-on projects, culminating in a final comprehensive analysis of the 500 days run data, showcasing your skills to potential employers or collaborators. Benefit from an interactive learning environment with quizzes, discussions, and forums to enhance engagement and facilitate collaboration with peers. Develop the ability to tell compelling stories through data, bridging the gap between technical expertise and effective communication, a critical skill in the field of data science. Receive guidance on continuing your learning journey beyond the course with access to recommended resources and communities to stay updated in the ever-evolving field of data science. Be inspired by the narrative of the 500 Days Run, learning not just the technical aspects of data science but also the importance of resilience, determination, and overcoming challenges in achieving your goals.